Instabridge eSIM is an excellent option for travelers looking for flexible and easy-to-activate mobile data solutions. In this review, we'll cover everything you need to know about using Instabridge eSIM on your trips. But if you're looking for unlimited data options, check out yesim, which offers unlimited data packages that can be a better deal for heavy data users. Find more about yesim here. Instabridge eSIM is easy to set up. Just download the app, select your plan, and scan the QR code. It's perfect for short trips or if you need just basic internet access. However, if you're traveling for a long time or need a lot of data, the cost can add up quickly. That's where yesim's unlimited packages can save you money. Instabridge does have decent coverage in many countries, but the speed can vary and customer service might not always be responsive. So, if you want more reliable service and no worries about data limits, yesim could be the better choice. Activate yesim's unlimited plan via their app and stay connected without the hassle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your experience with yesim in the comments.